Okay, we're going to take a look at the Cold Steel AD-10. It's the limited edition one in CPM 3V. It's not been opened. It's technically my first unboxing video I've ever done. I've always looked at them before I've opened them, so just because I kind of find it corny to do that, but oh yeah, it's nice, heavy. Number, you can see this, 758. It's cold. Must have been in an unheated shipping area. Oh yeah, sharp. Yeah. I'm looking at this for the first time, so I'm not probably not going to do a whole lot of talking at first here, just while I inspect this. Fit and finish looks perfect. Oof, solid. The regular AD-10 has, I think, aluminum liners with the G10 scales. The Cold Steel 4MAX, the one that I have, which is the American-made one, has titanium liners, and then it's got G10 scales. And then the 4MAX Scout has aluminum liners, and it's got the whatever the heck they call it, plastic scales. I can't remember the term they use for it. Oh yeah, no, it's definitely nice. Grind on it is perfectly symmetrical. They are made in Taiwan. This won't be a safe queen. I don't ever plan on selling anything, so there's no point me not using something. I think these are, there's 1,000 of these made, if I remember correctly. It's definitely come sharp. I'm sure most of you guys are well aware of CPM 3V and how tough it is. Edge holding is going to be probably close to S35 VN. Doesn't quite have the bite that the S35 VN blade did out of the box. So it's possible that it could be a little bit sharper. I mean, it's definitely sharp. Let's see if I can find some paper here and test it out. This came from the packing material. This stuff usually doesn't cut very easily because it's so thin, and then it holds any moisture in the air, right? We're in a pretty damp, humid environment. Like, it's sharp, a little toothy. It's probably finished quite at a fairly high grit. Here's my Spyderco PM2 and CPM 15V that I just did. It's sharper, and I've been using it too, so. But I finished that at about 1,000 grit. I don't know, this is pretty darn sharp. It's not lacking, that's for sure. But it's really nice to see that everything is done just perfect. There's no weird grinds or anything like that. Everything's perfectly symmetrical. Let's see what the centering's like. If you can see that on there. Looks pretty darn good to me. They have these same knives, limited edition one, done with black titanium scales, and I think they're one of 200. Same price. Oh, I can see a little bit of a weird grind there. It just drops down ever so slightly. Same thing there. I'm not worried about that. That's nice. That's really nice. These things are meant to be used. So it does have both left and right pocket clips. So decide you want to carry it on the other side, you've got that option. How the heck did that go in there? Must have been like that. I think it was in the box like so. Must have been like that. Yeah, nice fancy box compared to what they normally come in. But is it worth the price increase over the standard model? No. Not in a practical sense. It does offer you something completely different. It's heavy. Like, I think the regular one is 5.3 ounces. This feels more like 7. I don't know if it says on the box here. Usually they're not right anyways. Here we go. It's showing 9 ounces. Okay, so that's probably pretty accurate. It feels about as heavy as the full-size 4MAX. It's definitely heavy, that's for sure. Action is nice. Like, it's super smooth. Lock up, of course, is rock solid. Triad lock. Yeah, oh. They do a good job. They really do. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you think it's worth the money, or do you like the looks of it? What are your thoughts? Definitely look forward to hearing your comments and feedback. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Anything like that always helps the algorithm. So thanks for watching, and look forward to sharing the next video with you guys.